Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
I love this Bluetooth wireless mouse from ELECOM. It is so nice and so comfortable. I don't know why it took me so long to upgrade to an ergonomic shaped mouse, but it is so fantastic. It is so comfortable to just rest my hand on, and all of the buttons are so nice to click. They are easy to use and just really, really nice. And it really is just such a great mouse. I love that it comes in different sizes and shapes as well, left-handed, right-handed. This is the medium in the color white, but it comes in a lot of variety, which is great. I just think this is such a great mouse. It is so easy to pair and set up with the on and off switch. It took me like 2 seconds to hook up to my computer. It is awesome. I've been using this constantly ever since I got it, and it is just so comfortable, so smooth. I get a lot of compliments on it whenever people see it and they want to try it, and they are talking about how comfortable it is, how much they like it too. So this is such a great mouse option. If you want to upgrade, I definitely recommend it.
I absolutely love this mouse, and that's my point of view.